I started in the machining industry in 1979. First went to one of the career tech schools. It was a post-secondary school. It was a 4,000 clock hour program, so we got to, really get involved in all of the machines. And then I've worked in various job shops. And from the job shops, went to work for companies such as Duracell Battery Company, which I was a machinist there. Went to work for Goody Products, who manufactures combs, brushes, the largest in plastic injection molder in the world. And there I became a tool maker. And from there, I worked for Northwest Airlines. Had their hangar base there in Atlanta. And so at that particular point, we remanufactured all of the jet engines for Northwest Airlines. Then I've taught both in Georgia at West Georgia Tech and Troop Area Vocational School, and moved here to Ohio, and I've been teaching here in Brecksville at Cuyahoga Valley Career Center now for about 23, 24 years. I still get excited and very passionate about machining in general. We like to make things. If you like to build things and make things, you get excited about it. And so by me being excited, if I see a student's light go off and they're very excited about it, then I'm very happy to see them succeed. CVCC, we're very fortunate here to be well funded, to where we're able to have top-notch equipment. We're able to, spend the money on the students to be able to further their education and get them the training that they need. And so we're able to keep up with the industry's ever-changing technology. My biggest success at this time is seeing some of the students that I've had to come through and have graduated, and when I go to other companies, find out that they're the ones hiring my new students that are graduating. So it's great to see, that circle of life, I guess we would say, to where you're now having the people that you taught, they're in the position to hire and make decisions to hire people, and they're willing to train them and keep the trade moving. I think choosing a career in machine tech would be one of those opportunities where you get to use your mind, you get to use the creative ability that you have to be very precise at building and machining parts, to be able to see an entire machine come together. And so I think it's where you get to see concepts become reality. There's many career paths. We have students that come into our program, and some want to go directly into the workforce. And those that want to go directly in the workforce, sometimes they go into areas as being machine operators, to where they're running a lot of the manufacturing equipment in a lot of the precision machining areas. We have some that go into mold making, tool and die making. And so we have a lot of those students that are building press tooling, some that become tool makers, some of them become programmers, to where they're programming all of the different machine tools to manufacture various parts. And then we have the others that actually even go on into engineering. We have quite a number of students that decide that, at that point in time, they want to go into the engineering field. And then we've had some people that even go into the sales side of it, to where now they're selling equipment, or they're selling tooling, or they're becoming tooling engineers. But it's a really diverse career path. And so really you can take it wherever your desires are. Whatever you see as far as opportunities, if you reach out to go grab those opportunities, you can make some really good decisions. We need to be able to have students that come through and they're able to show that they have an industry level skill set. And so the manufacturing, machining industry, the precision tool industry, they're looking for people that have various skills. And here at the Career Center, one of the things that we want to do is we want to match those skills to the industry that we have in our local area. And so we have a lot of people that are on our advisory committees and so forth. And so we're always talking to the people in the machining and manufacturing area. We also go out there and work in some of these areas ourselves, so that we keep, up to date and abreast of what's going on and keeping up the new technology. But we need our students to where they're people that are wanting to continue to learn and continue to try to look into new technology and be able to perform.